Welcome back to the channel. Today is kind of a sad day for the video. It's a day that all of you said would arrive, and everybody in the comments was commenting about it, and it's a day myself I kind of expected in the future. I was not really ready for it, but I kind of knew it would happen just because I'm off-roading the truck. But anyway, long story short, my transmission died. So if you watch my previous video, which I'll link to up here somewhere, if it works out right, hopefully right up here by my hand, we'll see. Watch that video, skip ahead a little bit past the talking, watch the off-roading part. That's what caused my transmission to pretty much fail. I was able to drive it home after that video. The truck sat in the garage for about a day, and it is wintertime here in Minnesota, so I went to, this is the story of what happened. That is where my Dodge officially died. So I took it out the other day, car got stuck in the snow, pulled it out. All of a sudden I started puking a bunch of transmission fluid out in the snow. And you can see the trail in here where I come in and parked it. And I'll go show you, we're loading it up now. Gonna go try and take it apart. Go see what's wrong or what's going on with it. Long story short, transmission died. You guys were right. But what happened, the reason it died, in that previous video I was in high range. I knew I should have been in low range, but I went into the snow wanting more speed, more momentum, and the truck turned the tires over pretty good, kind of kept going through it, and yeah, driver error. I knew better, but I enjoy making videos for you guys. That's the main reason I do the off-roading videos, is for you guys. Just something hopefully you like, hopefully you find them entertaining. I know it's hard on the truck, that's why I don't like doing them very much. But I hope you guys appreciate the videos and me trying to do that stuff, because without trying to make videos for you, probably wouldn't be doing so much of it. I'd still be off-roading. Like, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love off-roading. But some of the stuff I do, Baja, going through, testing the winch, getting stuck on purpose, stuff like that, is more for your guys' entertainment. Just so you stay tuned to the channel, watch and enjoy the stuff. So, hope you liked the video. Check out the video you're going to watch now. And favorite, like, share, and subscribe, guys. It was expensive to get the new transmission put in. I went to try and go through a place online to order one, but they kind of jerked me around. I'm not going to name names, who it was or anything, but literally they jerked me around for stalled, delayed, whatever. I think they're just trying to get my money, and because they were not sending out the transmission, so I had to kind of fight with them, get my money back. Got that back, ordered another one from somewhere else, got it right away, got it put back in, and that's what this video is kind of about. So, alright guys, enjoy the video. Alright, so there's the puddle on the ground. Here's my pan here, which has fluid around it, or on it. But then here is where I think it was spitting out. This is in reverse. And that's in drive, so it's puking fluid in reverse and drive. Alright, so we're loading this bugger up. I'm gonna strap her down. I will show you guys what's going on. Got up under here. As you can see, it's leaking. Transmission fluid right there still. And it's coming from up here. Can't see where it's coming from right here, but trust me, it's definitely leaking. So we gotta get her over to a shop or somewhere to try and work on it. Take it apart, hopefully. See what's going on. So yeah, all the off-roading and snow off-roading, eventually the tranny decided something was gonna happen. Knew it'd happen sooner or later. Here goes the pickup. Looks like a beautiful day out, but it is windy and cold. Actually, we have a blizzard warning going on right now. So, kind of sucks that something's wrong with the transmission, but from all the off-roading videos I do and trying to get video footage for you guys, which is the main reason I go out off-roading anyways, just for your entertainment and some for mine. It is fun to off-road and go through snow, but it's more or less just for content for the YouTube channel. So kind of sucks that it happened, but we got to try and figure out what the problem is. Hopefully it's not the main transmission itself, so because that'll be pretty darn expensive. That'll be very expensive fix if I got to do that. So if it is, I may ask for donations or Patreon money or something like that if you guys could help out, so that I can get it back up and running, try and make some more videos and stuff. But what I'd like to do is try and put a heavy duty one in there, or like a custom built one, so it can handle more of the abuse, I guess. So, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what's wrong. Hopefully it's nothing major. But right now we kind of got a little bit of a ground haze going on here. It is windy as heck up. I've been plowing through some drifts following him with the car, hoping I'm not going to get stuck. They actually ended back there. Taking my truck on the way over to Jeff's garage here. Transmission went out. Didn't go out, but I got a transmission fluid leak big time on that bugger. Alright, we got the transfer case pulled out of here. Those bolts for your four-wheel drive shaft. Transfer case. And this is goes back to your back drive shaft here. That's where that slides in the slip yoke. Now we're working on the transmission underneath, trying to get that undone. Here's the back of the transmission here that we're working on. There's a few bolts way up in there that we took out. This is the top of everything here. Then you had all these wires and sensors to disconnect up in here. The lines and everything else. Here is the transmission we just got out of there. Alright, so we got the transmission out of there. I think we found part of the problem for sure, which is on the torque converter here, which is this piece. This is a torque converter. That there is a bearing that seized onto the shaft there. That lip and everything. Here, you can point it out again or explain.
Yeah, none of that's supposed to be seized or on this shaft. It's seized on there. So that took out the seal, and
yeah, took out this seal right here, and you can see the little that little spring ring in there. See that little shiny piece right in the center, kind of? That's just laying in there, so all the transmission fluid is blowing past there. So it took out the seal in here.
that spring holds the seal tight.
Yeah, and the spring holds the seal tight, so gonna have to get a new torque converter, new seal, and maybe check on possibly rebuilding this bugger or doing something just in case something else is wrong. Okay, so just got the transmission, the new one. It's right here, the Reband, in a big old plastic crate. That's my info up there. So pop this bugger open, see what it looks like. I haven't even looked at it yet. Hey, they painted it black. At least it's black. Got my torque converter. Why do they put double bubble gum in here? That's weird.
Take out your frustrations on the chewing gum when you're putting these things in.
Evidently. They're like, alright, you guys got a long night of work ahead of you, so here's some bubble gum.
This is your flushing kit.
Coolers must be hot, flushed, or replaced, otherwise warranty will be voided.
This is
So
your
I got,
flushing unit.
yeah, so I got to flush my transmission cooler.
Yeah. You always flush your tranny cooler. They gave you a gallon of fluid.
Dynatech Industries.
So this is what you'd use for your tranny fluid.
Well, hopefully this bugger holds up.
That was that bubblegum?
Yeah.
You saw the bubble gum too?
Yeah.
I asked my brother what it was for. He said take your frustrations out because they know you're going to have trouble putting all this stuff back in.
Which one of us is getting the bubble gum right away?
Let me lift. Yeah.
You want me on the other side to lift, Mike?
Let me try to, hang on.
So after a long night with help from my brother and a good friend, we finally got the transmission installed. Everything's up and running good. And hopefully I can get back to making some off-road videos for you guys. Hope you liked the video. Leave a comment down below. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.